Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest videos first. Microsoft today announced a major feature for Excel developers. Developers can now run custom functions locally in JavaScript with Microsoft Azure machine learning services to create their own powerful formulas inside Excel. They can use these alongside built-in functions like =sum or =VLOOKUP. And these new custom formulas are supported on PC, Mac, and iPad, and in Excel Online. Microsoft today also announced they are bringing the power of custom visuals to Excel. If you have created a custom visual for Power BI, you can now expand its availability to hundreds of millions of Excel users around the world. Benefits of custom visuals in Excel: insertion experience side by side with existing charts, tailored and familiar store, intuitive and familiar UI controls within Excel, enterprise-ready support for in-house organizational visuals. Develop once and make available to users on both Excel and Power BI. JS Custom Functions for Excel is now available in developer preview to Office 365 subscribers who are part of Office Insiders program. Azure Machine Learning Functions and Power BI Custom Visuals will be coming soon. Rob Howard, Microsoft's Director of Office 365 Ecosystem Marketing, told that the combination of these new features essentially allows developers to bring their own line of service apps to Excel now. Developers could already write their own complex scripts with Visual Basic for Applications (VBA). There are some advantages to using JavaScript, though, not in the least its popularity and ability to easily connect to third-party services, but also the simple fact that these functions can run on any platform. Microsoft first tested custom functions through the Office Insider program, and it's now ready to roll it out to a wider audience. New support for Azure Machine Learning. Excel users will now also be able to use the machine learning models that their company's data scientists have developed for them. Building these models still remains the domain of computer science boffins, but with this new feature, a far wider range of users will now be able to consume them. And given that Excel is often the place where many employees engage with a company's data, bringing these models to the spreadsheet seems like a logical next step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest videos first.